Hello everyone, by this video I would like to share about the 3D modeling, how to make a 3D modeling Credenza with some opening like this. Okay, by this video I hope you can improve your skill to make a cabinet. First of all, you have to select rotated rectangle first, then you can set the length value of the cabinet. I would like to set this on 1000 millimeter, and please set the thickness, please set the width of cabinet. It's around 400 millimeter, right? Then you have to push it up until the height as you want, or height as proportional as possible. It's around 800 millimeter for the tall. After that, you have to make a you have to push it up. It will gonna be spaced to the support of the cabinet. It's around 150 millimeter. Okay, like this. You have to make it group, and then you have to make a support of this cabinet like this. You can make a support of this cabinet. Maybe you can make it the rectangle like this. Then you have to adjust the design of the support of the cabinet, something like this. Okay, then you have to push it off until you can delete the unnecessary space right here. Then you can make it complete, perfect shape of the support of cabinet. You can make it, get component and just create it, and you have to duplicate it in behind of this object like this. Then you can make this group, and after that you have to move and press Ctrl to duplicate it, and you can right click and flip along and as a right axis like this. Okay, after that, this is a basic shape of the cabinet. Then you have to adjust the frame thickness of this cabinet. Is around 40. I think it's too width. It's around 30 millimeter of the thickness. Then you have to pull it back, push it back. It's around 350 millimeter like this. Then that you have to make a vertically shelf with a rectangle. Then you have to pull it on a left side. It's around 3 or 20 millimeter like this. Then you have to make it group, and please position it on center position of this cabinet. After that, you have to make a some shelf. Maybe you can make a more shelf, and you can adjust the shelf like this with a rectangle, and please set the thickness of the shelf is around 20 millimeter and make it group. And don't forget to move it up with a move tool until it found a center node of this vertical shelf. After that, you just click this object and move and press Ctrl to duplicate it and see the video. Then you can adjust this to duplicate the shelf until it gonna be a 3 part. This is it's jumble shelf. You can do this for more perfect dividing like this. Then you can set the 3 and slash press enter. So this is a perfect dividing. After that, you have to make a shelf like here. You can make a rectangle and push it up, and then you have to make it group and press move after that. Okay, after you press move, you have to adjust the thickness of the shelf. You can use offset tools. Then you can you have to make a thickness. It's around 15 millimeter of the thickness. You can set the depth of the cells right here. Then you can set the diagonal like this, and then you can select the circle like this, and you can delete all of unnecessary line. Then you can push it to be a simple pull handle like this. Then you just make it group and this in take it inside on cabinet, right? Then you have to move it, and maybe you have to adjust this box until it touch the top of cabinet. Then you have to press move and press control to duplicate it like it. Then and the left side you can make a door lift of this cabinet and press scale to adjust the rectangle so you can make it perfect. You can give a door lift thickness is around 20 millimeter like this. Then you can adjust the door lift frame, and you can adjust the unnecessary object to erase it. Then you can take a glass material of this door lift. Anyway, you can set the thickness also. Then you can, and now you can assign the proper material of this object. Anyway, then maybe this is one of glass texture. After that, you have to you can also select more material. It's like a wood veneer like this, and you can now see the difference than before. Okay, maybe you have to set the thickness of, maybe you can set the different color of the pull handle. Anyway, you can see this, you can select the gold pull handle like this. Just select this object and assign a material like this. Or if you don't like this material, you can assign another color by the previous step you see just now. Okay, after that you have to make it group and make it component. Then as usual you have to move it on a left side and just click a right click and flip long by the components right or the right axis, and just move it until it get a perfect position. And you can set this thickness of the width like this. Then or maybe you just only set this position to get a perfect position, like okay, maybe you can adjust this shelf to be the proper depth of the, okay, and then you can duplicate it with a move and press control, and you can also open this cabinet by one. You can open this cabinet by one, so you can get the more visual details of this cabinet. And you can rotate this door lift with the rotate tools like this, and you can rotate it until 90 degree, so you can see the inside of this cabinet. And you can also rotate on left side door cabinet lift anyway, like this. Okay, I hope you can improve more for 3D modeling in SketchUp. So you have to get some more challenging object material so you can improve your skill level of SketchUp modeling. Okay, thanks for